Jai Swaminarayan students, hope you are all doing good, and today we are starting with the topic of chapter 9, soil. Soil is one of the natural resources. Natural resource means it is already present in the nature. Okay, and now we are going to see what is soil. Soil, how the soil is formed, and we are going to form the layers of, we are going to learn about the layers of soil, types of soil, and then we are going to learn about the properties of soil, and then crops, and different crops grow in different types of soil. For example, cotton. In last year 6th standard you had studied cotton grows only in black soil. Understood? So this type of things we are going to learn. First, what are the things we are going to learn in this chapter? One is layer of soil we are going to learn. Another one is types of soil. And then we are going to learn about the properties of soil and crop. And right from the childhood, every one of us had played with the soil. Yes or no? Yes, we had played with the soil. Some will play with the soil for making the shapes. We are making Ganeshji idols with the help of clay. Yes or no? Yes. So we had all related with the soil. And the soil is one of the important natural resources like air and water. The soil is also one of the important natural resources for human beings also, for animals also, for plants also. Plants are growing because of the soil. Understood? And how the soil is formed? Soil is formed by the process of weathering. Weathering means what happens? In this, what happens? The stones are broken into small pieces. That we are calling it as weathering. Understood? And this process we are calling it as, from this process, big rocks, they are broken and they are becoming as a soil. Understood how the soil is? Soil is not directly made. It is made by the natural process, by heat, rain, and rock is broken by the process of weathering. We are getting the soil, and soil contains small crystals of sand. Understood? And next is that there are different types of different layers of soil is that we are calling it as horizon. What we are calling it as horizon. This layer, close your textbook students. These layers we are divided into 3 layers. Top layer A horizon, middle layer B horizon, then third horizon we are calling it as C horizon, and afterwards what is that? Bedrocks are there. In between the C horizon and the bedrocks there is water, groundwater is there. Understand? And top, what I said, A horizon first layer. In the A horizon, the minerals are more. And if I have to say, that is the dead and decayed substance on the top of that soil that forms a black soil called humus. Black color ka powder jaisa hota hai, that we are calling it as humus that is good for growing plants. Okay, minerals are more, and if this is the horizon layer, this much it is A horizon, remaining it is B horizon, and remaining it is C horizon. Between that water is there, and here bed rocks are there. Only rocks are there. Understood? And this is having more minerals. More minerals are present in this top layer. Minerals like metals, what you will say, plant growing metals, and the root of the plants are growing in the top horizon only. Understood? And B horizon mineral quantity is less. And C horizon very poor mineral quantity will be there. And in between that, what is there? I said groundwater is there. And afterwards bedrock is there. Inside, in between the bedrock, only rocks are there. Understood, students? These are the layers of the soil. Understood? In the next class we will learn about the types of soil. Okay.